use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Tristen Wilson. There's 6 DC XL12s, ran on a Terram's MD12 cat.
Just a 12,000 in all 4 or all 6 of these? Wow. Yep. What is your wiring impedance ended up being on it?
0.499.
Okay, so right at half. All right, yeah. Nice. Did you build this?
Yeah, me and a buddy.
Nice work, man.
Thank you.
And I see you had a little extra room, so it wasn't exact B-pillar. You pushed it back a little bit.
Well, we did 3-layer wood roof up here, and I had a tear in the roof, so I had a friend steel cage this, and we put a layer of wood on it, so it didn't meet up quite perfect.
Got it. So that helped a lot more than... Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Split clear through.
Nice.
It was...
Yes, sir. Very nice. And this is a 4th order.
Yes, sir.
What's your cubic space on it and tuning, do you know?
It's tuned to 44 hertz. I don't remember the airspace.
That's all right.
Off the top of my head.
Nice. What made you invert 3 and have 3 regular?
You don't ever see it very often. I thought it was cool.
Yeah. I like it. It looks good. You can see the motors and some subflex. And I like you have a little beauty panel here. How thick is that?
Just 3/4.
3/4? Nice. Looks good. Nice. And your door speakers, is there anything power in these?
They're on a Wolfram 05 cat.
05, okay. And they're all on the side of the doors?
Yeah, everything's on the side.
Okay, I'll go look at the power now. Yeah, man. Take a picture. Sorry.
No, you're good.
Yeah. Good.
Roses are red, violets are blue. My heart is dead, I'm such a fool. You should go get one. So many holes in my face, I could pick one. Make it pop it like a zit, huh? And I believe you, but every look you give, it's like I'm see-through. Show me that you want me like I need you, and I need you, yeah. I'm such a fool. ocean. I thought I left it inside the past. I'm such a fool.
Man, that's windy and musical. It doesn't fall off. I appreciate the demo. That was awesome, man. Thank you very much. Man, I appreciate the demo. Nice to meet you. What was your name?
Tristen.
Tristan. All right, Tristan. You have a good day, man. Nice to meet you.
Thanks.
Yeah, man. Take a picture. Sorry.
Now you're good.